Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start immediately by unplugging the HS50 and placing it on a clean, soft surface. This prevents scratches. Next, locate the seam where the pad meets the cup and use a fingernail or small flat tool to lift the lip slowly, because tearing happens when you rush. Once you expose the plastic ring, rotate the pad outward while keeping the ear cup steady. This disengages the inner clips. Make sure to inspect clips and foam for damage as you remove the first pad. You align the replacement pad so its seam matches the original orientation. Correct alignment prevents pinching and sound changes. Then, start tucking the inner lip under the cup's clip ring at one point and work your way around in small segments. This ensures even tension and avoids warped pads. Once seated, press firmly around the entire circumference until you hear or feel clips click into place, because symmetric pressure preserves comfort and acoustic seal. Finally, inspect the speaker port to confirm it's clear. You finish by reconnecting the headset and testing audio at different volumes to confirm the acoustic seal and comfort. Subtle rattles mean a clip isn't seated. If you detect misalignment, remove the pad and reseat it. Don't force. A torn lip or warped clip ring causes poor fit. Once done, swap left and right pads briefly to determine whether noise is pad-related or speaker-related, because isolating the fault saves unnecessary parts replacement.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.